Hello, welcome back to another insightful 12th episode of HRMS Connect, your go to podcast for all things HR tech strategy and sometimes sanity. Today, we're diving into a topic every manager secretly wishes would just manage itself: time tracking and productivity monitoring. And joining us today is someone who's just discovered the joy of structured time logs, approvals that don't make your eyes twitch, and reports that actually help. Welcome, Maya Singh, Senior HR Manager.
Hi, Nikhil. Thank you for having me. Honestly, if you'd asked me a few months ago what I thought of timesheets, I'd have said necessary evil. But now, Digital HRMS TimePort module has completely changed my mind.
Uh, I like a good tech love story. So tell us, what was time tracking like before TimePort entered the chat?
Oh, chaos. Plain chaos. We were using spreadsheets and manual entries. Employees forgot to fill them, managers couldn't verify task timelines and generating reports. Don't even get me started, it was like digging through a digital haystack.
Classic spreadsheet syndrome. So, what turned the tide for you?
We stumbled upon digital HRMS while exploring modular HR solutions. What stood out was TimePort, their timesheet management and task tracking system. It promised automation, transparency, and ease, and delivered all three.
Love that. So, walk us through what exactly does the TimePort module do?
Gladly. TimePort is built to make time tracking seamless. It allows employees to log their daily or weekly tasks accurately and in real time. They enter not just the duration, but also what was done, for whom, and on which project. Managers then get an approval tab where they can view, approve, or request clarification on timesheets, all with a few clicks. It's like giving time tracking a professional makeover.
Sounds smooth. But you've got remote teams, right? How does it handle that?
Brilliantly, actually. TimePort doesn't care where your team sits, be it Bengaluru or Berlin, as long as they have internet. They can log in, fill their sheet, and submit it. Plus, HR or admin can monitor trends across geographies using organizational level analytics.
That's pretty slick. Now tell us about cherry on top the reporting.
Absolutely. The export tab lets you generate customized reports filtered by client, project name, date range, even task type. And boom, download them as Excel or PDF. It's perfect for billing, audits, performance, reviews, even for showing clients what has been done.
Let's talk visibility. Does TimePort help managers track who's working on what?
Oh, yes. There's a timesheet status tab where managers and employees can check the status of submissions, whether they're pending, approved, or rejected. You also get real time snapshots of how time is being split between tasks, which helps with effort estimation and optimization.
Let me guess, no more asking. Is this task even worth the time we're putting in?
Exactly. TimePort shines a light on where hours are going. It even allows partial allocations, so you can log just 30% of someone's time to a project, while the rest goes elsewhere. No more 100% by default, it's strategic, accurate, and data backed.
This sounds like the future of productivity. What about your favorite features?
I have a few. Task split view. It lets you see how much time is being spent per activity. Client wise reporting. Great for service firms with multiple accounts. Effort versus budget tracking. You get to see if you're overspending resources or using them wisely. Schedule monitoring. It gives you performance metrics to compare planned versus actual efforts.
Wow. And how's the team reacted?
Honestly, they were skeptical at first. Another tool to learn. But once they saw how intuitive the interface is drag, drop, type, done they were on board. Now they appreciate the clarity it brings. No more confusion over what they worked on last week. It's all recorded, organized, and reviewable.
Love that. So, for listeners tuning in, who would you recommend this module to
Any organization that juggles projects, deadlines, and distributed teams. Whether you're a startup or an enterprise, if you care about efficient resource use, accurate billing, and employee accountability, TimePort is for you.
there you have it, folks. No more lost hours, no more mystery meetings, and certainly no more spreadsheet horror stories. Just smart, simple, said, and strategic time tracking. Maya, thank you so much for sharing your time pod journey with us today.
Thank you, Nikhil. And to everyone listening, remember time is not just money, it's insight, direction, and progress. Manage it wisely.
Well said. That's it for this episode of Coffee Break with Maya. If you're still wondering where your team's time is going, it's time to find out. Check out the TimePort module by Digital HRMS and turn confusion into clarity. Thanks for tuning in to HRMS Connect, the HR podcast. Catch you in the next episode where we discuss about confirmation assessment module. Until next time, stay strategic, stay stress free.